Welcome to our video tutorial. I'm Chriselle and this is my partner,
Isaac, and we are here today to show you how to make an origami bird.
Start with a square of paper. Fold the square in half diagonally. Fold in half lengthways and unfold again. Fold lengthways in the other direction and unfold again. Take the right and the left corners into the middle and down to the bottom corner. Flatten. Fold the left and right lower edges into the center crease to make a kite shape. Fold the other side and do the same step. Fold the top triangle down over the folded edges. Turn the model over. Again, fold in the outer edges and the top triangle. Unfold. Fold the lower edge up along the crease made previously to mirror the opposite sides. Fold the other side and do the same step. Fold the top layer of the left side over to the right and fold the lower point. Fold the top right layer back again. Then hold the middle point of the left side and pull it down. Repeat this process on the other side by opening the model and folding the lower point up into it. Again, hold the middle point on the right side and slide it down until it is perpendicular.